Okay, if this is the first time you'll be hearing about Alpha GPT, it's a platform where you can invest and then earn 3% of your money. So Alpha GPT takes the least amount you can invest, or you can use to invest in Alpha GPT, is 20 USDT. If you have 20 USDT, then it will be very, very easy for you. On Alpha GPT, you can actually do this free of charge. They have the free version, the free robot, which gives you, with which you earn at least 0.4% per day, okay, per day on the robot. And then aside the robot, if you now need to earn higher, then you can go ahead and invest or buy one of the robots. Okay, so I'll be taking you straight in now. This is how you get on Alpha GPT. So you have to go to your Trust Wallet. Okay, like this. Now I'm on my Trust Wallet. Once you access your Trust Wallet, go to the browser. Before then, somebody must have sent you a referral link for Alpha GPT. If you do not have a referral link for Alpha GPT, check the description of this video. You will see a referral link for Alpha GPT. So just copy that referral link and then come to your browser. Okay, come to your browser on Trust Wallet and paste in the address. Okay, just paste. That's it. So once you hit enter, it loads the Alpha GPT. So I'm not going to hit enter because that's my own referral link. So I'll just go to the one that has been on my screen. So this is Alpha GPT. This is Alpha GPT. This is the interface. Now, you must connect your wallet. Up here, you see up here, that's where you connect your, just hit connect and then it connects to your wallet. Okay, so normally we advise people to use a new wallet that you just got funded for every purpose. As you know, you can create diverse wallets on Trust Wallet. So create one and then get it funded and then connect the wallet to the Alpha GPT. So basically this is how to do this. Okay, so on Alpha GPT, you will see once you scroll up, okay, just go to robots. The second link here, that's robots. Now you will see the robot system. Okay, so every day you see the robot system. These are the robots. You have the one of Binance bot for 20 USDT. You have for Coinbase. Coinbase is 80 USDT. You have all of them. So depending on your budget, you can choose one of them. But that means you should have funded your account to the tune of this amount that you want to activate. Okay, so but first of all, let me take you through how you can mine daily for free on Alpha GPT. If in case you do not have money to invest or you want to check out how the platform is, what happens on the platform, this is how you can mine for free. So just go to token. Just go to token. So you see here, first of all, you see this receive airdrop. Okay, this receive airdrop is connected to Binance. There is this NFT that is on Binance, baby t. So if you need information on this, just click on this menu, okay, and then see mint baby t tutorial. Once you click on this, it gives you the whole idea of how to mint this one, how to mint that NFT on Binance. Okay, so you just connect to your wallet and then it gets minted for you. Okay, so we'll go back here. Now you can steadily unlock you are given 20 this in every day. You can steadily unlock each day. I already clicked, so it says unlock today, please come again tomorrow. Okay, so airdrop transfer, kindly vote. You can vote daily also. That's it. You can vote daily also. So now coming to team, this is your referral angle, showing people that you have referred and the number of people you have referred, and then where you can copy your referral link and then mine if you want to mine. Yeah, want to mine this here. Now to fund this your account, this is all you need to do to fund this. Okay, sorry, let me just take it to robot again. Robot, somebody asked me how do we mine the free alpha gpt. So you see under robot, you see robot here, then you see my robot here. Just click on my robot. Okay, so under my robot you see this is the free one, gift bot. So every day you come here, you hit quantify. Every day you come here. So here today it says it's already quantified. So because I have already hit that quantify. So after quantification, it gives you 0.40 USDT for that day. But now me, I have subscribed to the one of 20 USDT daily. So once I hit quantify daily, it gives me 0.60 USDT. So looking at it, if you now merge the two together, the one of the 20 USDT robot, it gives me 1 USDT every day. All I just need to do is come here every day, every other day, and hit on mine, and then it gives me um 1 USDT every day. Okay, so now let me take you through how to fund this account, so that you can buy any of the robots, or how to withdraw as well. So you come to mine. You see here you have deposit, you have withdrawal, you have deposit, you have withdrawal. So on deposit, the least USDT you can use to purchase any of the robots is 20 USDT. Okay, so but I'm not going to put 20 USDT here because I do not have 20 USDT in this wallet right now, inside this wallet. Okay, so I had to, okay, so let's say we are going to add say 1 USDT as deposit. So we click on sure. Okay, so it says minimum is 18 USDT, so we can't go through with this. So just basically what you just need to do is enter the 18 or 20 USDT here, hit on sure. So it does a smart contract call. Okay, but before you do this, please, and before you do this, one thing is very, very important. You need to change this channel, you need to change the network by clicking here, up here. Okay, and then it's right now it's on Ethereum, so you change it to BSC smart chain, BNB smart chain. Okay, so you must, if not it will try to use Ethereum network to collect whatever it is he wants to collect. So basically what you just need is, you need the amount you want to deposit here in your wallet, in your USDT wallet normally. Then you need at least 0.06 BNB. Okay, about 0.06 worth of BNB in dollars. It's very, 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 very small, very minute. So you need that in your BNB wallet as well. Let me take it again. You need the amount of money you want to deposit here. Let's say 20 USDT. You need it inside your USDT wallet. Then in your BNB wallet, you need at least something that can pass for $0.06 in BNB. It's very, very small as gas fee. Okay, so with that, the money comes in here. Definitely money gets loaded, and all you need to do is just keep refreshing this page, keep refreshing, hit here, and then reload. The money comes in here, and then once it's done coming in, just go to robot. Okay, so it's reloading, but nothing will happen anyway because I didn't add any money. Okay, so when it's done reloading, just go to your robots, and then you see all these robots. If you added 20 USDT, just click on activate. But right now it says insufficient USDT balance because I have not added money to this account. That's why it's saying that. Okay, so guys, basically that's how it's done. And if you wish to withdraw as well, same thing, just hit on withdraw. It asks you how much you want to withdraw, and then once you input it and then click on sure, it automatically within 30 seconds it hits your USDT wallet in your Trust wallet. So guys, that's how it works. If you have any other issues, if you have any other complaints, if you have any other questions you want to ask, please do let me know. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to this channel, follow this channel for more information on how you can make money online. You know, you can be moving around on the internet, you will not even know that people are making money from certain places and you are not even aware, you don't even know. So you need access, you need ideas, you need, okay. And then in the comment section, in the description, I will also post a link to yeah, my WhatsApp group, where all these informations, all these ideas, all these avenues of making money online via crypto are being posted on the daily, both airdrops and mining, and the ones you can mine and other ones. So I'll put a link to the on the description below, so you so you can also join and become a part of this, and then work towards your financial freedom. All right, thank you guys, and don't forget to follow this channel. Come your way again shortly. All right.